Right now, we see a sentiment score of plus 0.00 and momentum at plus 0.86. This is particularly noteworthy because the sentiment has flatlined while the momentum is on the rise, indicating a significant divergence. It's unusual to have such strong momentum without a corresponding positive sentiment, which often hints at underlying volatility or a potential shift in market dynamics. Our API delivers comprehensive insights into sentiment, allowing you to understand and react to these anomalies in real time. Imagine integrating this data into your trading strategy to capitalize on these divergences. You could identify opportunities that others might overlook. To dig deeper into how you can leverage this for your projects, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.